Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to reset your TikTok account password. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, security is really important nowadays on TikTok, and to keep your account safe, you need to make sure your password is secure. This guide will help you when you think your password is compromised or you have used a very easy to guess password. So let me show you how to reset it. On your phone, open the TikTok app, then tap on Me at the bottom right, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on Manage Account, then tap on Password. TikTok will then send you a verification code on your mobile phone which is valid for 5 minutes. If you've not added the mobile phone to this account, then TikTok will give you the option to send a verification code via your email. Once you receive the code, enter in the code. Now on this screen, you can change your password to something else. Make sure it is 8 to 20 characters long and it needs to include letters, numbers, and special characters. Then tap on Next. Once you've done that, you have successfully reset your TikTok account password. And there you go, that is how to reset your TikTok account password. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.